It has happened again. Oh. It has happened again. Nigeria government have done it again. Nigeria government have done it again. It has happened again. It has happened again. Nigeria government has done it again. Oh. Nigeria government has done it again. It has happened again. Oh. It has happened again. Nigeria government have done it again. Nigeria government have done it again. You see. I don't know wetin dey happen. Wait. Una dey hear wetin I dey hear? Wait, everybody. Una dey hear wetin me, Love Doctor, dey hear? Una dey hear wetin me, Love Doctor, dey hear for this country? This country wey we dey, dey say gorilla. Oh God. That's why this one mourns me. This one mourns me. This one are the highest. See, nothing wey fit happen for this country again wey go surprise me. You need to go happen now. Abeg, una just share this video. Una share this video. Una share am. They say for Kanu Zoo, una never hear the gist. But I tell una the gist. Wetin dey sup? They say for Kanu Zoo, gorilla enter zoo, Kanu Zoo. They say gorilla. They say gorilla enter zoo. Good morning, bros. What lovely, bros. They say gorilla enter Kanu Zoo. Still, no, they say he chop am, he flex 6.8 million. Oh boy. This one must be, I swear. See, I tell you now, See, I tell you, everybody come up for this country. Because very soon, Nigeria don't turn to animal kingdom. Nigeria don't turn to zoo. So, we dey live for society where animal don't turn human being now. Where go enter, where they keep money, they chop am. Na so they talk that they say snake swallow money. Where students they register JAMB, they say snake enter swallow money. Na so they sit talk say rat. Wait, man. Na so they sit talk say rat enter president office. Scatter president, chop many documents wey they say make president bring. They say na rat chop am. What did happen for this country? So Nigeria don't turn zoo. Zoo now all of us now wey dey this country will be zoo. We dey zoo where they live. We be animal now. Where something go happen, money go miss. Or say na animal go thief am. Very soon, animal go protest for this country. I dey tell you, very soon animal they go protest, they go shout, they say what did happen now? Well, no, they say now we carry the money, na person carry am now, we fit go point the person come out. Animal go just miss, he say na Gucci gorilla. No, not be Gucci gorilla. Na Versace gorilla. We go just chop gorilla go just chop 6.8 million. You no see banana eat. You no see fruit eat for inside zoo. Now money he go see because he can't chop 6.8 million. People taxpayers money. And the truth be say nobody they talk about them. The youth never come out to say anything about this. This thing they die. Now so this thing go die. Everything go die finish. Nobody go talk about them. Nobody go talk about them. So we don't reach a state where animal now go they move money. Go they steal money. Animal, no worry, very soon. More they watch very soon for this country. Animals go protest. animal, they go protest. You see animal for street, they'll say, we not agree, oh, we not agree. 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 Very soon they go protest. Because una dey talk say na animal dey steal am, na animal dey steal am, na animal dey steal am, na animal dey steal am. No, this dey vex me. They don't say long talk, you too dey talk, you too dey talk. Very soon they go look for you, they go look for you, they go hold you. Now this thing dey vex me. How you go just tell me say animals steal money? Hey, wo. How you tell me say animal, see our government and they don't turn us to mumu. Our government, they don't turn the citizens to mumu. So our own president and other people with the House of Rep, all those are leaders. They don't turn, although they don't turn comedians. Say human being with the right senses will just come. Say he talks. They say, okay, what happened to this 6.8 million? You just to say, nah, gorilla, next 6.8 million. Gorilla, next 6.8 million. Where security there? All this has gorilla big rich. They don't see them when they go. They say that gorilla steal the money. What did they happen for this country? What did they happen? Make everybody come out. They don't frustrate our life. They don't frustrate us. Finish. You know get what our Nigerian government will do anymore. Apart from the worst way. Now, if money miss, now animal they steal. Now what did they do now? If money miss, any money you miss, na animal steal. Any money you miss, na animal steal. Money miss, na animal steal. The animal na human being. The animal don't. The animal when they say they take this money, na human being. Oh, my people, na human being. Na human being they take all this money. Na human being they steal all this money. Human being like me and you. Now they take all this money. Now they put them. They transfer allegation. Now transfer allegation. They don't know say animal get rights. They get human. They get animal fundamental rights. Animal fundamental animal rights. They don't know say they get them. Very soon they go protest, and when they protest, everybody go hear win. You see lion will come street. They protest. You see gorilla they protest. You see snake, even snake self. When they say swallow money, he go enter street. They protest because now what they want. They get me. Now what did they want for this country? So, no, this is bad. It's really bad. He pay me. This one pay me. I say I no talk. Me talk say I no talk. But this one, he touched me this morning. He really touched me. Like I tell myself, love doctor, you go allow this to pass. Now I tell myself, you know, pass me by. This story, you know, pass me by. I'll carry and come my platform. And I must talk about her. And if you want to contribute to this story this morning, just hit me. You know how they say do. Just hit me. Then I'll put you for the screen. Make you talk. Make you talk how you take see this matter. My people won't not talk. How not take see this matter? Say gorilla go steal money. See, just send me request now, and I'll add you up. Then you discuss if you get anything to say. Any contribution any contribution about the stealing of the money by gorilla robbery you can add. Wait, when I send me friend request, I go approve. Okay, my one person might add second son, I'm adding you. I dey add you now. I dey add you. I see your request. I dey add you now. If you get any input, anything where you want to talk about this gorilla issue, just hit me up. Just hit me up here. What did happen? Is it that I just myself now say we don't get youth not in this country. Nobody feel protest. Say money you miss just like that. Money you miss just like that. Nobody they talk. See people, see our roads, they bad. Our schools, they bad. No industry. People they suffer. Schools where suppose they free, not be free. Now money they take they go. Our roads no go, no get infrastructure. Then 6.8 million wey fit do many things for this country, wey fit change a lot of things for this country, a lot of things for this country. Toyota say the thing vanish, say gorilla na carry the money, gorilla na carry money. Now this dey pay me. EFCC they no see all this one investigate. EFCC they no see all this one investigate. Na small boys wey dey waka on their own, wey to just dey street dey do one or two, make dey hustle. EFCC go just go, the SARS go just dey trouble them, dey hold them. Yeah, yahoo boy, yeah, yahoo boy, yeah, yahoo boy, yeah, yahoo boy, yeah, yahoo boy. They harass them, they kill them, they shoot them. They not hold gun, though, they shoot them. They shoot them, they die. Okay, this person will now wake come out. When say Gorilla na estate money 6.8 million, this will not pass Yahoo. My people, this one no pass Yahoo. You get any other Yahoo? You get any other Yahoo wey pass this Yahoo? You get any other Yahoo wey pass this Yahoo? You get any other Yahoo this life? Any other Yahoo wey they want to do for this life wey pass this Yahoo? E no dey. E no dey. Happens go you wake up say, I no fit even imagine. I no fit even start to dey imagine now. Okay, I don't have somebody. I greet you, Peter Osas.
Good morning, Akuda.
How you see the matter?
Good morning, Love Doctor. How far?
Hello.
I do. So, what did they say? They happen. Which animal? We have an animal for eat money again.
I don't hear you.
I say which animal they say eat money again?
They say gorilla still 6.8 million. They say gorilla na still 6.8 million. Come on for Kanu Zoo.
For where? Could you imagine? For Kanu Zoo. Wow, Nigeria. The thing we did that they say that country. I can't really understand what's going on there, man. The thing is that I don't really understand, man. You see that country that fight needs to bust out now. And the youth there, they're not ready to die. That's the thing. Somebody just come. They're not ready to die.
Fight for their right.
Nothing. But anyone will just come eat money, come out. Anyone will just come eat money, come out. I heard a lady talking on live video yesterday for Dumaze Road, where water was poor people's house.
Yeah.
You know where erosion poor people's house. You don't hear that one. They say the contract was awarded. They said the woman said because the woman get house there. The woman they live for Europe.
Yeah.
He said the contract was awarded. They award the contract. Basically award contract. But the way I award the contract, like a award the contract for different people, like if you award contract for 5 different people like that. For one road though, one go do to here, one go do this street. So people where they come award that to some way get head side, they'll do their own. They'll do at least half, they'll leave them. If they pass to main road, now you see where they do where they do the road, the other side they don't do, and the other side, what can be. And Obaseki is there. You award contract. Right. You know, go check the contract where you award. Some do their own, some not do their own. So those people who not do their own, they not do them anything.
Yeah.
So my brother.
See the truth, all these people where they award contract to, now their own. See, man, tell you when money allocation come out, say okay, most say 10 million now allocation to do from year to year. You know how many people go share that 10 million? You know how many people? They'll reach like 5. We go share that money. Then last. Now small money now go come out. And the one where they pay me pass be say the small money where go come out. They go carry bag of Smith. No bag of Smith or the pro bag of Smith. Now Smith. Now they use to do the road. The road last. After they go to commissioning, the road will last 2 months. You know your last 2 months, the road go your bad again. Go be like say we start. It go was past IFB before. That's that. I don't know. And the youth go just sit down. They don't talk anything about that. Like say nothing happen. Just imagine what they call this place, Iyama Road, where this all these House of Assembly lodge dey.
Yes.
Iyama GRA, water carry. You see, I don't know how many people know Freedom House.
I know Freedom House
for
now.
Iyama.
Agamemia. I know Freedom House now.
Carry that place, Big Man House. You see how water.
Ew.
Water.
And that
place. It be like
say, that time, eh? Hey. That was one of the finance house that for GRA Agamemia.
People wicked. People, eh?
It's very wicked. Bad.
People too care. Don't cut, oh, don't cut. I bet if you see calling. People wicked for this life. People wicked for this life. People wicked. I beg. I just say, man, come out, come talk with it in my mind. And they say everybody now more turn to animal. Say human being now don't they turn to animal now. Very soon the author say a human being, guess some human beings will be like animal. We don't they steal money. Now what they'll talk now very soon. Very soon for this country. Very soon for this country. Now they see animal for street. Animal go dey protest. Now it is a lie. Mona mark today's date. Love doctor say so. Love doctor say so. Now me talk am. Very soon. Very soon. Very soon. Now see animal for street. They protest. They shout. Say they don't do transfer aggression. Go meet them. Say they get their own animal fundamental animal rights. We humans dey encroach on. Say no be dem steal money, they'll say na dem thief money. Very good. This country is well. This country is well. I fit talk as me they say this country, people don't believe me. As me they say this country can only move forward if they sell am. And that's bad because we are not ready. See, this country it dey more than underdeveloped. When they say country dey underdeveloped, we was past underdeveloped. We was past underdeveloped. We still dey live in a country where if you want supply light still dey pole. You dey see wire for street wire. For other countries, wire dey underground wire. Na underground dey. We live in a country where light go dey. Once rain start to dey fall, they go seize the light. Down our country. We live in a country. We live in a country where it don't reach when you don't reach to vote. When you don't reach to vote, you see leaders they give our youth 1,000 naira. Vote for me, 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 vote for me. Our youth don't they say their birthright. They say their birthright for 1,000 naira. What if 1,000 naira where you used today, and you put millions for so far because say that you sell your vote. I beg it is well. Make I not go talk some kind of things where I not supposed to talk because as I dare I dey provoke for this gorilla matter where they say gorilla do this one, gorilla do that one. Say gorilla do this, gorilla do that. What car? Man, not to talk. You understand? I don't want yours to talk. It's absurd. It's absurd. Our politician. Love Dr. Elunano. Gorilla assemblies. I agree to now. Gorilla national assemblies. I agree to now. Very soon now, gorilla. Now go to conduct election. I agree to now. Gorilla brains. I agree to now. I don't come on. I still remain your humble boy. Love Doctor. The man where they always talk true. Peace out. Love Doctor say so. Gorilla people.